For the first time, you can own an aluminum pergola that looks like real Canadian cedar. Our unique manufacturing process transfers the grain of century-old cedars onto a brand new aluminum pergola. It's called the Florence Pergola and is 100% aluminum and treated to be rust-resistant for years to come. Not only is your new pergola going to last, but it's also going to help extend your living quarters to the outdoors. You choose the amount of sun exposure by simply sliding the convertible top back and forth until it's just right. Secure the top with the help of a magnetic closure. Open it up all the way at night and you can gaze at the stars above as you entertain or just relax and enjoy more than 120 square feet of living space. This beautiful Florence pergola was designed with you in mind. It's easy to assemble on a cement slab, wooden deck, or the ground itself. Plus, you don't have to take it down when the weather changes. It can sustain 80-mile-per-hour gusts of wind and even snow. When it snows, simply slide your convertible top all the way open. The Florence Pergola allows you to enjoy the beauty of real wood without the hassles. No more painting, staining, or replacing. The aluminum design is virtually maintenance-free, so you can spend your days and nights enjoying it, not repairing it. Impress your friends and family and transform your backyard with the new aluminum Florence wood grain pergola.